DJI is a world leader in drone technology, consistently delivering high-performance drones that blend cutting-edge innovation with ease of use. Known for their exceptional camera quality, flight stability, and intelligent flight features, DJI drones cater to a wide range of users, from professionals in photography and filmmaking to hobbyists exploring aerial views. With a diverse product lineup, DJI has established itself as the go-to brand for capturing stunning aerial imagery. In this video, we'll focus on the DJI Air 3S, a drone that stands out in DJI's Air series. Designed to be both powerful and portable, the Air 3S offers a balance between advanced capabilities and compact design, making it suitable for both novice and experienced drone pilots. Whether you're looking to enhance your creative content or simply enjoy the thrill of flying, the DJI Air 3S promises to deliver an impressive experience. Stay with us as we dive deeper into its features and capabilities to see why it's gaining attention in the drone world. Medium telecamera. The DJI Air 3S comes equipped with a 1x1.3-inch CMOS medium telephoto camera designed for capturing vivid details at a distance. The 70mm format equivalent gives you a natural telephoto perspective, allowing you to get closer to the action without compromising image quality. The 48-megapixel resolution ensures crisp, detailed shots, while the f2.8 aperture provides excellent light capture, enabling beautiful shots even in less than ideal lighting conditions. This camera is a fantastic tool for photographers and filmmakers who need to zoom in on distant subjects while maintaining high image clarity. Large pixel size. With its 2.4 micrometer large pixel size, the DJI Air 3S can gather more light, resulting in better image quality, particularly in low light environments. This larger pixel size works in tandem with the telephoto lens to offer superior clarity and sharpness, even in challenging lighting conditions, making it ideal for dusk or dawn shooting. Maximize focal power. With its dual camera system, the Air 3S allows you to focus on details and maximize focal power. Whether you're shooting up close or at a distance, the cameras work together to provide optimal detail, making it perfect for capturing intricate textures, architectural details, or far-off landscapes. Storage and quick transfer. With 42GB of built-in storage, the Air 3S ensures that you have plenty of space for your high-resolution photos and videos. Additionally, off-state quick transfer makes transferring your data to other devices quick and seamless, even when the drone is powered off. 4K HDR video. The DJI Air 3S supports 4K 60 frame per second HDR video, ensuring that your footage is crisp and vibrant with true-to-life colors. Additionally, with 14 stops of dynamic range, it can handle scenes with both dark shadows and bright highlights, preserving detail across the entire frame. This is a game changer for anyone looking to shoot professional-grade videos, as it enhances the tonal quality of the footage. Next Gen MRTH. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 3S is its Next Gen Smart Return to Home. This system uses advanced algorithms to ensure a safe and accurate return to its starting point, even in challenging environments. The enhanced precision makes this feature reliable, giving you peace of mind when flying in remote areas or when battery life is low. Flight time. With a 45-minute max flight time, the DJI Air 3S offers extended airtime for longer sessions, whether you're capturing a landscape or conducting a survey. The 20-kilometer video transmission range allows you to fly further while maintaining a strong connection, giving you the freedom to explore and shoot from a greater distance without losing control. Omnidirectional vision sensing system. Safety is a priority with the DJI Air 3S thanks to its omnidirectional vision sensing system. This system allows the drone to sense obstacles in all directions, front, back, left, right, up and down, ensuring that it avoids collisions while flying. This feature enhances both safety and flight performance, giving pilots the confidence to fly in complex environments. Obstacle sensing. The Nightscape mode allows for breathtaking nighttime photography, capturing vivid details even in low light conditions. Paired with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which detects and avoids obstacles from all sides, the Air 3S offers safe and smooth flying during nighttime missions. 360 degrees visual appeal. The Active Track 360 degrees technology ensures that the drone can track subjects from all angles effortlessly. This feature is perfect for capturing dynamic footage of moving subjects, providing stable and visually appealing shots from multiple perspectives. Compatibility. For enhanced connectivity, the Air 3S is compatible with the DJI Cellular Dongle 2, ensuring reliable video transmission and control even in areas with poor signal reception. Battery charging. The battery charging hub with power accumulation allows you to charge multiple batteries at once, making sure you're always ready for your next flight. This is a convenient feature for users who need longer operational periods without interruptions. Conclusion. In conclusion, the DJI Air 3S is a powerhouse drone that combines advanced camera capabilities, intelligent flight systems, and robust safety features. Whether you're a professional photographer, filmmaker, or hobbyist, this drone offers exceptional performance, making it a valuable tool for capturing stunning aerial visuals. primary wide-angle camera. Complementing the telephoto camera is the 1-inch CMOS primary wide-angle camera, which offers a 24mm format equivalent for sweeping wide-angle shots. The wide field of view captures expansive landscapes with beautiful detail, thanks to its 50-megapixel resolution. The f1.8 aperture allows for excellent light intake, ensuring bright and clear imagery even in darker environments. Whether you're capturing sweeping vistas or detailed cityscapes, this wide-angle camera will deliver high-quality results,